Welcome, my dear friends. In previous lecture, we have seen what what are controls and how the controls are used in Visual Basic. In today's lecture, I will explain. I am going to explain you how to use the operators in application. So for that, I am just create one application. Select Windows application and then click OK. After clicking on OK, form 1 is display. So basically in Visual Basic there are 4 to 5 types of operator like arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise operator and concatenation operator. So today I am going to present you how these operators are used to make a simple application in Visual Basic. For that, here I am considered to label, then to text box to display value. The default property of label is caption and the default property of text box is text and one command button. Okay, and I will consider one more label control and one more text box. In this application, I am going to present you how to use arithmetic operator in Visual Basic. Okay, so these here in this application, 3 labels are there and 3 text box and 1 command button. What is my aim? My aim is when I just click on this command button, after entering the value in text box 1 and text box 3, the third value will be displayed in text box 3. Okay, so for that, before writing the code, I'll set the text property of label control. So here I am going to enter the value 1. Okay, and then I'll set the text property of label 2, enter the value 2, and the third total. Okay, and the default property of text box is text. So here there is no need to change it again. Here again I am going to change the property of button as OK. Okay, after pressing OK, the effect will be displayed here. Now next is I am going to write a code on command button. So there are two ways to write the code. Either you can just double click on this button, okay, or you can just go to the view code window and click OK. So after clicking on this double code button, here I am going to present you how to use arithmetic operator in Visual Basic. So there are 7 to 8 types of arithmetic operator we are going to use, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then modulus, then floating, etc. So here for that I just try to write the code to for addition of two numbers. So I just write the value is display, output is display in text box 3. That's why here I choose text box 3 dot text. Here I set the text property of text box control because the output of text 1 plus text 2 is display in text box 3. as I am going to insert a input integer value in text box 1 and text box 2, so that's why before writing text box 1 and text box 2, I am going to use val function. Val function always returns a value to the control. Here text box 1 plus text box 1 dot text. So default property of text box is text. Text box 2 dot text. Okay, and close the bracket and then compile the program. So after compiling the program, the screen output screen will be displayed like this. Here I am insert the value for 1 is 12 and second value is 12, and after clicking on OK button, the addition operator works here. 12 plus 12 is equal to something gets wrong. As if I have considered text box 1 plus text box 2 in a single bracket, so that's why in text box 3 it will display 12 two times, but I want to add these two values independently. For that, to val function has been used. So again compile the program, enter the value, say 12 12, and click the OK button. Now you can see 12 plus 12 is equal to 24, means the addition operator, means arithmetic operator, works here to calculate addition of two numbers. Likewise, you can subtract two value. You just change the operator here and run the program. 12, then 10, and click on OK. So here after clicking on this OK button, the output will be displayed. Means I am going to write a code for click event for button command. When I'll insert the value in text 1 and text 2, after clicking on this OK button, the output will be displayed in text box 3. So in this way I am using, means we have to use different multiple operator for building a simple application.